Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. Today we are going to see how we can create a React.js project with TypeScript. So let's get started. Here what we need to do is we have to check first whether Git is installed in our system or not. So for that we will open command prompt and here we can write git hyphen hyphen version. Click enter. If you are getting any output from here, that means Git is installed. If not, then you have to install Git in your system. So for that, you have to write Git for Windows if you are using Windows operating system, and then click on download. And from here, you can download whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit. Here you can download 64-bit version. Just click on it, and then it will start downloading. After that, you have to simply install this git exe file in your Windows operating system. So just click here and then it will be installed. Okay, after that you can simply click on finish. Now you can again open command prompt and then type here git hyphen hyphen version, and then you will see here git version. So already it was installed in my system. I have again installed it. So you can see that now now Git version is updated. That means Git is now installed in my system. Next thing what we need to do is we need to check whether Node.js is installed in our system or not. So for that I will write here node-v. Click enter. If you are getting any version here, that means Node is installed, and if not, then you have to install Node.js in your system. So I'll write here Node.js download and then go to the website of nodejs.org, and from here you can choose any specific version that you want in your system. So for Windows you can click here, or you can select the portable version or any specific one. So you can better click on this. It will install MSI folder. So just click here and after that it will be downloaded. Click open and then you have to just click next, next, next. It will be installed. Now Node.js is installed successfully. Click finish and then I'll close this CMD for again, and then I'll open again CMD, and here I will write node-v, and then you will see this is the latest version of Node.js. So basically I updated the version as well. Along with that you can check one more command, that is npm, and then you can write npm-v and it should also give some output. Although you don't need to install npm separately, it is by default installed with Node.js package. So now we are with ready for creating the React.js project with TypeScript. So what we will do, we have to first choose the location. So by right now you can see it is inside C user. So better you can create any particular folder. Let's say I'll do mkdir and then I'll say uh, my workspace, my workspace. So I have just created one folder, my workspace, and then I have to do cd my workspace. Now I am into this folder and I want to create project inside this folder. So next command that I have to write is npx create react app, and then I have to put the project name. So I can say my react demo. This is the project name. You can write anything instead of this, but the command is npx and create react app. This is the command, and this one is the name of the project. And after that you can press a space, and after that if you want to normally create react.js project, this command is sufficient. But if you want to specify that I want to use um, TypeScript instead of pure JavaScript, in that case you have to specify one more command, that is template. And then a space, here you have to provide TypeScript. So this template you have to specify while creating the project, and click enter. Now the project will start creating, and it will use, yes. So first time we are doing this, so we can say yes. It will install package, and then, so please remove any global installed. Okay. So since this one is already installed, so what I'll do, we have to perform this command. It will first uninstall, and then it will install this one. So I'll perform the command again, and let's see. Okay, another way is I'll do npm install -g create react app and click enter. Okay, and then I'll perform the command npx create react app my react demo and then template TypeScript, and then it will start creating the project. So you have to just specify template equal to TypeScript. So it will take few minutes to complete the task, since it will create the project with the template with a small demo react project. So it will take little time. You have to just wait for it, and then it will be done. Now project is created, and here are a few commands that you can perform. So first command is you have to go into your projects for project folder. So I'll write cd my react demo, and then you can perform npm start just to check whether react.js project is working or not. And then you can use any editor, maybe you can use Visual Studio Code to write the program, and then you can go into the folder to check whether project is generated there or not. So I'll go into the users and then username, and here we can search my workspace. Inside we can see we have a project my react demo, and this project is generated through TypeScript. So you can see TypeScript source file. Yes, project is started and working. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.